Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can change name on Google Meet. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing service from Google. Now open up Google Meet app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on top right of your screen. After you tap on it, there you'll see the option of manage your Google account. Tap on it. There you'll see the category of personal information. Select it. Under basic information, there you'll see the option of name. Tap on it. After that, you can change your first and your last name. After you change your name, anyone can see this information when they communicate with you or view content you create in Google service. Once you're done, tap on the blue tab that says Save, which is on your right hand side. This way you can change name on Google Meet. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.